want the class in English? Raise your hand for English if you want the classes in English. Okay. Okay. I guess everyone is good. And how many of you want it in Hindi? Raise your hand again. How many of you want it in Hindi? Okay, I see some of the votes for Hindi also. Okay, okay. Sujit wants in English and Hindi both. Okay, okay, guys. So I will keep the language to both Hindi and English. I will be kind of speaking English. Okay, I hope you are aware of English. I will be mixing up Hindi and English. I will explain the concept in Hindi wherever I will feel the need. And for the rest of the session, we will be continuing in English. Is that fine? Okay. Okay, give me a fire emoji if you are excited for the class. Give me a fire emoji in the chat box if you are excited for the class. Okay, okay, great. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So before I start, I just want you to go through the roadmap, walk you through the roadmap of this course. So we will be winding the manual testing in 12 to 15 sessions, and then we will be doing 7 to 10 sessions of API testing, and both of these things include projects. Okay, as well as manual testing include projects, and API testing includes, I guess, two projects. Okay, so we'll be doing everything hands on, but not from very first class. Obviously, we need to have some theoretical knowledge before we dive into the practical knowledge. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So before I start, okay, guys, before I start, let's keep this class very interactive. Okay, very interactive. Okay, guys, I want you to know what is software. Anyone from you, what is software?
A software is a set of instructions given to particular task.
Okay.
It's a program.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Anyone else? I want at least five answers. Okay. Sumaya.
Collection of computer programs, tasks.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So one or two students more. What is software?
Instructions to perform a task.
Okay. So you guys are kind of right. Software refers to a set of instructions, data, and programs. Okay, that are used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. Cool. Do you guys understand the definition of a software? Give me a thumbs up if every one of you understood understood this. What is a software? Okay, guys. When I say give me a thumbs up, I want a thumbs up from everyone. Okay, everyone in the class. Okay, all right, guys. All right. Okay. So whenever Digambar, your hand is raised. Can you please lower your hand? Okay. So whenever you are having a doubt, you can interrupt me or you can raise your hand if you don't want to disturb me. So that would be a better way if you raise hand and don't interrupt me in between the topic. Okay. So guys, I would tell you some type of software you guys have to identify with. Okay. So guys, on what kind of software do you think your mobile phones or your computer systems or your Macs run? What kind of software? First of all, I just want to ask, do you think these run on softwares? Yes or no? Or these run on hardware? Okay, Sujit, do you want to answer?
Both, sir, it depends on both software as well as hardware. And
Okay.
software which are used in computer and computer is Windows OS operating system and Android or iOS for mobiles.
Okay. Sujit, do you know what are these softwares called? These softwares are called system softwares. System softwares are the software on which the entire system depends. A Windows computer is a system that depends on completely on Windows. Okay. Mac is a system that completely depend on Mac OS. iPhone is a system that completely depends on iOS. Okay, your mobile phones are the systems that completely depend on Android OS. Give me a thumbs up if every one of you understood this. Okay, Ankit, do you have a doubt? You can turn on your mic and speak. Okay, I guess he's not having any doubt. Okay, guys. So, give me a thumbs up if you understood this concept. What is system software? Okay, guys, all right. All right. Okay, guys. So, there are also some software that are designed to perform some specific task. For example, Microsoft Excel, this Google Meet on which you are attending this meeting, this session. This is also software, right? Google Meet, Microsoft Excel, calculator application in your phone. These all are softwares, right? All of these are software. And these kind of softwares are known as application software. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood this. Okay, guys. So I want some more examples of application software. So, any one of you, guys, I am not sharing my screen or explaining anything on the board since I just want to make this class interactive. We'll be diving into the practical concepts later on. Right now, today we have a pure theory based class. Okay, so don't worry, we'll be diving into the practical concepts very soon. Right now, I just want to know few more examples of application software. And don't worry, you guys will be getting the notes. I have the notes. And you guys will be getting those notes. Okay. So any one of you, I want the examples of application software.
To do applications, game software.
Okay, game software. Anyone else?
MS Excel. To do applications. MS Office.
Okay. Okay. All right. All right.
Software. There
WhatsApp.
are many applications
WhatsApp.
like the VLCS audio player and that is used in the for the to connect with the hardware that is called application software.
Good, Ankit. Good. Good. Great examples. Okay, guys, do you ever have heard of Eclipse, VS Code, and other things like Git,
Yes.
GitHub, Sublime Text, Notepad++. Guys, do you know all of these softwares are used to develop another software? These are used to write code or manage codes. These kind of software are known as development
System software.
software. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you understood what are development softwares. Okay, is there anyone who doesn't understood what are development softwares? Okay, guys, I just want you to please stay on mute until unless I specifically say anyone to unmute and speak. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. All right. All right. So, guys, have you ever heard of API? You know what exactly API does? Okay. I will explain this.
Program interface.
Okay, guys. Okay. Please mute yourself. Class is on recordings. People who are not able to attend it live will be watching the recording. So please maintain a decorum that the recording is peaceful. Okay, I am just sharing my screen. Okay, give me a thumbs up if my screen is visible. Okay, all right, great guys. Okay, where is my whiteboard? Okay, all right. Okay, guys. So see. Okay, all right. Okay, just suppose this is a web page. Okay, let me increase the.
Sir, maybe your skin is not visible.
Okay, let me check this once. I guess it's visible. Guys, can I get a thumbs up if it's visible? Okay. Okay. Whosoever is not able to view, I guess the internet connection issue is what at your end. It's visible to everyone else. Okay. So, okay, guys, give me a thumbs up if the board is visible. Okay. Okay. I'm not able to see your thumbs up, but Sujit, can you please confirm if the board is visible?
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. Okay. See. Okay. Let me increase it. Okay, guys, just think that this is a web page. Okay, there's a web page. There's a web page. This has a email field and a password field. Can you guys see the diagram? Email field and password field. Can anyone confirm, please?
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay, so this is visible to you, and you are the user. Okay, you are the user. You are able to see this with eyes. Okay, but this isn't a drawing on internet, right? This is an implementation that is happening with the code. There must be some code at backend. Okay, there must be some code at backend, right? Okay, just a second. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you understood till here. Give me a thumbs up if you understood till here. Okay, all right. And this code contains a database. This code contains a database, right? You will be only able to log in if email is correct and password is correct, right? Guys, give me a thumbs up if I'm correct. Give me a thumbs up if I'm correct. Everyone. Okay, all right. Okay, cool. Okay, so this email and password data is coming from the database, right? This email and password is coming from the database. But how this web page is communicating to this database? This is communicating with API. This is communicating with API. And API is called a middleware. What API is called? A middleware. Okay, I will mark it here. Okay. API is a middleware. Okay, let it be. Okay, guys, give me a thumbs up if you guys understood this. API is the middleware here. Don't worry, we will be learning API in more advanced things, in more details, in more depth. But give me a thumbs up if you understood this thing. I want the thumbs up from everyone present in the session. Okay, guys. Okay, cool. Okay, okay. So there are many middlewares in the software. Okay, you do you know the WhatsApp messages you are getting that are sent from one person to another person, and there is a middleware. The middleware name is RabbitMQ, that is used for communication between the two persons or three persons in a group. Okay, so give me a thumbs up if you understand the concept of middleware. I want a thumbs up from everyone. Okay, so guys, is washing machine a hardware or a software? Guys, is washing machine okay? Sumaya, is washing machine a hardware or software?
Hardware.
Washing machine is a hardware, but it is operated on a software, right? It's operated on a software. Similarly for microwave, right? Similarly for a calculator, right? So these kind of software that have these kind of hardware which have software embedded in it are called embedded softwares. Washing machine is a embedded software. Microwave oven is a embedded software. Calculator is a embedded software. Give me a thumbs up if you understood this. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, okay. You guys have already given me a thumbs up. Okay, so guys, do you understand these five kind of software? System software, application software, development software, middleware, and embedded software. Give me a thumbs up if you understood what is software and these type of softwares. Guys, the type of software is not very important, and I haven't mentioned them in notes as well. Okay, but if you guys want the notes for this, I will mention it. No worries. Okay, but aren't very important from interview perspective. I just want you guys to know it for knowledge. Okay. Okay, guys, moving forward, what is software testing? Software if testing is the reason why we are all attending this class. So, who will be telling what's software testing? Anyone?
Software testing is resolving the bugs and ensure the good software.
Okay, anyone else?
Software testing, comparing the requirement with the actual software.
Mm, not appropriate. Anyone else? Okay, Suyansh,
Software testing
Suyash.
is a collection. Yes, sir. Software testing is a set of activities to discover the defects in application.
Okay, kind of bit appropriate. It's bit appropriate. Okay, so what else?
Software testing is a collection of the program to help of the performing task.
Okay, I didn't find it too much appropriate. Okay, guys, let me tell you. Software testing is a way to assess the quality of your software and it reduces risk in the operations of the any software. Do you guys understand? It's very clear. It should be very clear and very understandable to the interviewer. Software testing is a way to assess the quality of the software and it reduces the risk in operation of the software. Give me a thumbs up if you guys understood this. ठीक है गाइस, हम सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग बग ढूंढने के लिए नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है, हम उसे करते हैं ताकि हम उसकी क्वालिटी इंश्योर कर पाएँ. गिव मी अ थम्स अप गाइस इफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. ओके. Ankit, do you have any doubt? I don't see your thumbs up. Okay, all right, all right.
Oh, sir, I don't have a doubt, sir.
Okay, 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 great. Okay, okay, guys. So you guys now understand what software testing is. Okay, so guys, what's the importance of software testing? What's the importance of software testing?
To ensure that the product is bug free and is meeting the client's requirements.
Okay, Kushal, you mentioned a word product. Okay, now keep this word in your mind, everyone. Okay, product. Okay, keep this word in your mind. I'm not discussing it right now, but keep this word in your mind. Okay, okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Sujit.
To improve the quality of the
Other than this point, improve the quality. This is already in the definition. Other than this, अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताओ, अगर तुम्हें कोई एप्लीकेशन दी जाए और वो बहुत ज़्यादा बगी है, ठीक है? तो तुम्हें इरिटेशन नहीं होगी उसे चलाने में? You guys will feel irritated while using a application which is too much full of bugs. Give me a thumbs up if you agree with me. You guys will feel irritated, right? So, doesn't software testing ensures enhances user satisfaction by finding the bugs and get them fixed? Give me a thumbs up if you agree with me, and this is a point of importance of software testing. Okay. So guys, also when you find the bugs on the early stages, won't it be cost effective for you? See, once your application is public, it's being used by many users, then it will be having many, expenses going on. But imagine a scenario where it's not public and it's still under development, and you already find the bugs and get them fixed. It will be cost effective, right? Give me a thumbs up if you agree with me. Okay, and it ensures security. All right, it ensures security. We already discussed that. It reduces the risk in operation, right? Right, guys. Okay, give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood everything till here. Okay, guys, is please lower your thumbs. Okay, guys, I just want to know if anyone is having any doubt. Okay, I guess no one is having any doubt. Okay, so let's move to the next concept. What's the next concept? Okay, what's the next concept? What's the next concept? Okay, guys, we already discussed what software testing. Okay, yeah. So, Kushal, you sometime just a few minutes ago, you said a word product. There is another word project. Is there anyone who can tell the difference between a project and a product?
Yes, sir, I'll tell it.
Okay, Kushal, please move forward, move ahead.
Yeah, software, a project is only limited to a company or only one client, uh, which will
Kushal,
which
your
will be
voice is a
for
bit breaking.
a community or for a large group of people.
Okay, okay. Kind of, you are appropriate at this point. Let me explain this with many other points. Okay, let me explain this with many other points. Okay, this is an important interview question. Okay, see, first of all, a product is a long term goal and a project is a short term goal. Okay, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you understood this. We will be discussing it with the example, but give me a thumbs up if you understand this, that the product is a long term goal and the project is a short term goal. Guys, okay. See, ek- Zomato. Everyone has heard of Zomato. Zomato is a product based company, right? See, and Zomato is itself a product. And you guys can see Zomato में आज तक updates आते हैं, right? Zomato is still updating its app, right? So this is how Zomato is a long term goal. अब एक चीज सोचो, तुम्हें तुम्हारे सीईओ ने बोला, Zomato के सीईओ ने बोला कि मुझे Zomato में एक नया फीचर ऐड करवाना है। दैट फीचर विल बी अ प्रोजेक्ट, ठीक है? दैट फीचर विल बी अ प्रोजेक्ट। जैसे कि ब्लिंकिट में अभी एक नया फीचर ऐड हुआ, 10 मिनट्स में एम्बुलेंस वाला, ठीक है? राइट? सो दैट इज अ प्रोजेक्ट, बट कंप्लीट ब्लिंकिट इज अ प्रोडक्ट. Give me a thumbs up if you understand the basic difference. What's a product and what's a project? Kushal, do you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, okay. A goal of the product is continuous improvement. Okay. But a goal for the project is achieve the specific goal in a defined deadline. ओके. प्रोजेक्ट एक डेडलाइन के अंदर अंदर खत्म करना होता है, बट प्रोडक्ट जो होता है उसका गोल होता है कंटिन्यूस इम्प्रूवमेंट. तो वो ज़्यादातर यूज़र फीडबैक पे डिपेंडेंट रहता है. ठीक है. गिव मी अ थम्स अप. गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ यू गाइस अंडरस्टूड दिस. ठीक है. एक पॉइंट अभी कुशल ने बताया था. अ प्रोडक्ट इज कंप्लीटली ऑन्ड बाय ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एज अ होल, बट जो एक प्रोजेक्ट होता है वो आइदर प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर ऑन करता है या फिर एक टीम ऑन करती है. ओके. तो देखो, पूरा का पूरा ज़ोमैटो तो एक फीचर पे काम नहीं करने लग जाएगा ना. देयर विल बी अ स्पेसिफिक टीम, राइट? राइट? गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस गाइस. We can say project is in product. We can say this. We can say this. But that's not important. Every project is in a product. Okay, that's not mandatory. But yeah, product will have different projects. That's mandatory. Okay, Sujit. Okay. तो जो प्रोडक्ट की लाइफ साइकिल होती है, दैट्स लॉन्च, ग्रोथ, मैच्योरिटी एंड डिक्लाइन. ओके. और प्रोजेक्ट की जो लाइफ साइकिल होती है, दैट्स प्लानिंग, एग्जीक्यूशन एंड क्लोजर ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. ओके. गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ यू गाइस अंडरस्टूड दिस. ओके. आई ऑलरेडी ओके. तो गिव मी सम मोर एग्जांपल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. गिव मी सम मोर एग्जांपल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स.
Swiggy, WhatsApp
राइट.
is a product, Zomato is a product, Blinkit is a product, Amazon, Flipkart, Facebook is a product.
ओके. राइट. ओके गाइस. ओके. दैट्स इनफ ऑफ एग्जांपल्स. ओके गाइस. तो ठीक है, क्लास तो चलती रहेगी. मुझे ये बताओ, मज़ा आ रहा है? कुछ नया फ़ील हो रहा है? कि देखो, मैं हर चीज़ को एग्ज़ाम्पल के साथ डाइव इन करता हूँ. आई डोंट डाइव इन थिंग्स विद टू मच थ्योरी. हालाँकि आज की क्लास थोड़ी-सी थ्योरेटिकल है, बट एग्ज़ाम्पल से कुछ अच्छा समझ आ रहा है, कुछ ज़्यादा सीखने को मिल रहा है. क्योंकि देखो, आई बिलीव इन पावर ऑफ इंटरैक्शन. जितना ज़्यादा इंटरैक्ट करोगे, उतना ज़्यादा सीखोगे. हो सकता है कि यहाँ पर कोई ऐसा भी हो जिसे मुझसे ज़्यादा आता हो, ठीक है? देयर कैन बी पीपल अराउंड यू, अराउंड मी, अराउंड अस, ठीक है? तो नथिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ दैट कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा आता है, पर इंटरेक्शन से हमेशा ज़्यादा सीखने को मिलता है. तो ठीक है, अभी कंटिन्यू करते हैं. तो आगे का टॉपिक क्या है हमारा? ओके गाइस, दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन. प्रोजेक्ट एंड प्रोडक्ट. ओके. ओके गाइस, व्हाई डू वी नीड टेस्टिंग? व्हाई डू वी नीड टेस्टिंग? कौन बताएगा? ओके गाइस, जस्ट वन मोर थिंग. सुजित, सुमैया, कुशल, अंकित, सुयश, खाजा, सैयद, तुम लोग जवाब नहीं दोगे, बाकी के लोग जवाब देंगे. Okay, you guys are already interacting. I want everyone in the class to get the chance to interact and learn a lot. Okay, so I want answers from other people too. Who are the other people? Okay, Nikita, Vali, Suhail, Dyananda, and Dhananjay. Okay, guys, I want answers from you. Why do we need testing? Any one of you? Okay, Dhyananda, you can answer. Am I pronouncing your name right? I am a bit weak in pronouncing South side names.
Okay,
Sorry, I didn't heard that.
Jnanada.
Okay, okay, Dhyananda. So
Yes.
why do we need testing?
So we need testing because we want to deliver the bug-free software to the customer. So uh, for the
Dhyananda and everyone. She said the word bug free. Okay, keep this word in your mind. We will discuss a concept related to this. Okay, bug free. Okay, Dhyananda, continue.
yes, for ensuring the bug-free software, we need testing.
Okay, what else? What else, guys?
User satisfaction.
Okay, user satisfaction, right?
Security.
Security.
Okay, all right.
User friendly.
Okay. Okay, guys. So, in simple word, can I say like testing is a safety net that catches mistakes and ensure that software is reliable, efficient, and user friendly? Would that be the right definition? It's very similar that you wouldn't drive a car without brakes, right? Right? So, companies should not release the software without testing it properly. Give me a thumbs up if you understood the concept completely. Why do we need testing? Okay, so I have plenty of examples to discuss this, but guys, do you want me to discuss the examples or we can move ahead? Give me a thumbs up if you want me to move ahead, and give me a thumbs down if you want me to discuss some more examples on this. Okay, okay. I guess every one of you want me to move ahead. Okay, okay. Let's see. Let's see what's the next concept. Okay, why it's not starting? Okay, we discuss why do we need testing. Okay, that's again an important interview question, guys. That's again an important interview question. What is the difference between error, bug, and failure? What's the difference between error, bug, and failure?
Error is human mistake. Bug,
Sumaya,
bug is
you have already done this in my class, right?
uh,
Anyone else, please answer this question. Any guesses?
Bug is a deviation from the actual result.
Okay, okay, you are kind of right.
Deviation from the expected result to the actual result.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, guys, let me explain it with the example. Okay, देखो जो error होता है ना, the error is a human mistake. Okay, the error is a human made mistake. Just suppose I will explain it with the example of book and author. Okay, just think author wrote a book and he wrote somewhere the sun rises in the west instead of writing the sun rises in the east. Okay, okay, give me a thumbs up if you understand this. This is a human error. This is a human error. This is a human error. And when you notices when someone notices this error, this is called a bug. When someone notices this error, this is called a bug. Okay, suppose I was reading the book, I noticed this, and I know this is a universal fact that this is wrong. Okay, so I notices this, and this is called a bug. When someone notices the human mistake, this is called a bug. All right, guys, give me a thumbs up if you understood this. Okay, now just imagine I didn't notice that that this is wrong, this is written wrong, and I just kept that in mind. The sun rises from the west, the sun rises in the west, and then I have an exam and I wrote the same thing in my exam, and this bug affects me. When the bug affects something, this is called a failure. Give me a thumbs up. When the bugs affect the user, this is called a failure. Guys, do you understand? Give me a thumbs up if every one of you understood this. So, in simple words, error is the developer's mistake while writing the code. Bug is the defect found in the software due to that error. And when the software doesn't work as expected for the user, that's called a failure. Give me a thumbs up if you understood this concept. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you understood this concept. Okay, guys, I have mentioned few points in the notes. Okay, please पढ़ लेना notes को. Okay, moving forward. Okay, you guys understood this, right? So I will be moving to the next concept. Okay, why does software have bugs? Okay, guys. So why does the software has bugs? Any one of you? Why does the software have bugs?
Coding
There
errors.
might be a miscommunication.
Okay, Kushal, you are somewhat right. Miscommunication. What can be the other reasons?
Coding errors. Unclear requirements.
Okay, right. Coding errors, requirement. Someone mentioned requirements. I guess that's the part of miscommunication only. Okay, guys.
Not understand the requirement. That's why the bug is in the code.
Ankit, that's already the part of miscommunication.
Sir, due to poor software, poor
Poor.
testing.
Yeah, this is also a point. It's not that
Still not tested.
it's not a fact that always developer is wrong. Testers might lack the testing processes. This is also a point. So what else?
Sir, changes in requirements.
Yeah, right. Changes in requirement is one of the point.
Lack of communication between the stakeholder and.
That's a part of
if,
miscommunication only.
if incorrect API uses.
That's a human error.
Okay.
Okay, let me discuss some more points. We already discussed human error in coding. Give me a thumbs up if you guys understood human error in coding. Okay, guys, there might be chances that the software which is being developed is too complex. Is too complex. So complexities of the software can be a cause of this bugs. Give me a thumbs up if you understood this point.
Can you explain it again?
Uh, see, uh, like Zomato. Zomato has too many features, right? Zomato has too many features. It might be using too many APIs, too many lines of code, right? So this makes the code complex, right? Give me a thumbs up, Kushal, if you understood this. So complexity of the software is also a reason for bugs. There can be mistakes in the code. There can be mistakes in the implementing the correct logic, right, due to complexity. Okay. Okay. So give me a thumbs up if everyone understood this. Kushal, do you understood?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay. We already discussed the changing requirements. Sometimes there are too much changing requirements. Client पहले कुछ बोलता है, बाद में कुछ बोल देता है. So this kind of create confusions for the developer. Okay, तो इसकी वजह से भी bugs आ सकते हैं. This is also one of the reason due to which bugs can come. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you understood this point as well. Lack of testing. There may be chances that tester is not good. Okay, this can lead to many bugs and many critical issues. Give me a thumbs up if you understood till here. Time pressure. There might be chances that you have to implement a very big logic in very less time. This will lead to time pressure handling the things, and this, due to this you might implement the wrong logic. Give me a thumbs up if you understood this point as well. I want a thumbs up from everyone. Everyone. Okay. So these are the few points. So this can be asked in interview. There are like 30 to 40% chances of this being asked in an interview. Okay, guys, we are done for today's lecture. I guess we have already spent 45 minutes on the class. Okay, guys, so I will stop the screen sharing here. Notes and recordings will be shared. Okay, let me just stop the recording.